Shiveluch volcano erupts in Russia following powerful earthquake. The Shiveluch volcano in Russia's far eastern Kamchatka Peninsula erupted on Sunday, spewing ash plumes up to 5 kilometers, 3 miles, into the sky. The eruption was triggered by a powerful 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck off the coast of Kamchatka earlier that day. The earthquake, which occurred at a depth of 18 miles below the Pacific Ocean surface, had its epicenter about 63 miles east of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, a major city in the region. The tremors were felt strongly by residents, who reported some of the strongest shaking in a long time. The eruption prompted a brief code red warning for aircraft in the area due to the ash cloud, which stretched over 490 kilometers east and southeast of the volcano. However, no commercial flights were disrupted, and there was no damage to aviation infrastructure. Volcanologists from the Russian Academy of Sciences warned that the ongoing seismic activity in the region could be a precursor to an even stronger earthquake, potentially reaching a magnitude of 9.0 within the next 24 hours. The Abeko volcano on the Coral Islands also erupted, spewing ash 2.5 kilometers high. Shiveluch, one of Russia's most active volcanoes, has had at least 60 large eruptions in the past 10,000 years. The volcano is located about 280 miles from Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, which sits across a bay from an important Russian submarine base. The eruption and earthquake did not result in any immediate reports of injuries or major damage. However, the situation remains under close observation as the potential for further seismic and volcanic activity persists in the region. How do scientists monitor volcanic activity in Kamchatka? If this is a question you have been meaning to ask, well, I have it. Scientists monitor volcanic activity in Kamchatka using a combination of methods, focusing on key parameters. Number 1. Seismic monitoring. Seismic activity is the primary indicator of volcanic unrest. The Kamchatkan Volcanic Eruption Response Team, (KVERT), operates numerous remote seismic stations across the region to detect earthquakes and tremors associated with volcanic activity. This data helps assess the likelihood of eruptions and track their intensity. Number 2. Thermal imaging and remote sensing. Thermal anomalies are monitored using satellite imagery and remote sensing technologies. These methods allow scientists to detect changes in temperature that may indicate volcanic activity, such as lava dome growth or increased fumarolic activity. Number 3. Gas emissions monitoring. The analysis of volcanic gases, particularly sulfur dioxide, provides insights into magma movement and potential eruptions. Gas emissions are often monitored using satellite data and ground-based sensors. Number 4. Visual observations. Direct visual monitoring is crucial for confirming eruptions and assessing hazards. Scientists conduct field observations and utilize video footage to document volcanic activity and plume heights, which aids in calibrating seismic data. Number 5. Data integration. KVERT integrates data from various sources, including seismic, thermal, and gas emissions, to provide comprehensive updates on volcanic activity. They issue alerts and hazard assessments to local authorities and the aviation community to mitigate risks associated with ash clouds. These monitoring techniques collectively enhance the understanding of volcanic processes in Kamchatka, enabling timely responses to potential eruptions.